Hello adventurers! In this video, I'll discuss the top credit cards for travel in 2022. With so many alternatives, I looked into the best cards and chose my favorite 4. You'll avoid some decision-making paralysis this way. Everyone enjoys traveling, but there are currently too many credit cards available with a variety of perks, making it difficult to decide which is the best option. No longer, I'm here to limit your selection of excellent cards. These cards, which I have researched, seem to be the ideal fit for you and your requirements. Now, let's hear them, shall we? Starting at number 4, we have Capital One VentureOne Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One VentureOne Rewards Credit Card might be the best option for you if you're an infrequent traveler searching for a low-maintenance, low-cost travel rewards card. The card gives the flexibility of Capital One's miles, along with a flat-rate earning structure for all spending. This delivers an outstanding value for a card with no annual fee because the miles can be used for travel on any airline without restrictions. VentureOne is a great and affordable travel card because it doesn't charge foreign transaction fees. Additionally, the card offers several Capital One features, such as purchase and travel protections that can help you save both time and money. Budget-conscious travelers may be able to make up for the low rewards rate with the long list of valuable extras. Now, let me introduce you to the pros and cons. Pros. Fewer costs are a concern for cardholders. There are no annual fees or foreign transaction costs. Flexible redemption choices give you additional opportunities to use your miles in the most advantageous ways. Compared to other rewards cards, a good welcome bonus with a low spending requirement is offered. Purchase initial and balance transfer by paying off significant purchases or old debt without interest. APR allows you to save money. Extended warranties, travel accident insurance, and emergency card replacement are all included in comprehensive travel and purchasing coverage. Cons. Given that other no annual fee travel rewards cards may offer up to 2x miles on all qualified transactions, this card offers a low rewards rate for its category. If you don't make full payment on your balance each month, the higher APR range may make it more difficult to pay off your debt. No ability to achieve airline status. It's great for occasional travelers looking for a no annual charge travel card with a straightforward compensation plan. For people who travel abroad because there are no foreign transaction fees. It's not great for frequent travelers who want a lot of travel perks. People who can earn more rewards with a different credit card. Rewards. In addition to the 1.25 miles per dollar earned automatically with the VentureOne card on any other purchase, cardholders will receive 5 miles for every dollar spent on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. With no minimum required, miles can be redeemed for both current and future travel expenditures for 1 cent per mile. Welcome bonus. After making $500 in purchases within 3 months of account opening or $200 in travel, you'll earn 20,000 miles. Annual fee 0%. Intro APR 0% intro on purchases for 15 months. Regular APR 16.49%, 26.49% variable. Balance transfer fee 3% fee on the amounts transferred within the first 15 months. Credit needed excellent or good, which is considered between 670 to 850. At number 3, we have Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card is a great option for most travelers when it comes to ease of use and robust rewards. You can use your points to pay for any travel bill without restrictions on when you travel, which airline you fly, or which hotel you stay at. Unlike the airline-branded cards, it was created to compete against. It also pays a high rewards rate on every purchase, not just on travel spending. It's understandable why so many people love this card when you consider the substantial bonus offered to new cards. You won't find many travel credit cards that are better than this one if you want travel rewards that are simple to obtain, simple to comprehend, and almost simple to redeem. The Capital One Venture Rewards credit card offers many advantages, such as a high rewards rate, a sizable sign-up bonus, access to lounges, and more. Pros: high reward rate. Credit for statements for global entry or TSA PreCheck of up to $100. No foreign transaction fees. Additional advantages when traveling, such as collision damage waivers for rented cars. It is simple to use miles for purchases of travel or partner transfers. Cons: high annual fee. Rewards are not very flexible. Must have high to exceptional credit. It's great for anyone seeking a brand-neutral travel card with benefits that are straightforward to understand and straightforward to add up. Ideal for people who like to use rewards on travel rather than other purchases. Additionally, it's fantastic for international tourists and frequent diners. It's not great for to transfer balances. Those who want their all-purpose rewards card to have greater flexibility. Rewards. For every $1 spent on purchases, you can earn 2 miles. Additionally, hotels and vehicle rentals booked via Capital One Travel earn 5 miles for every $1 spent. Most consumers will only be able to redeem travel rewards while using the Venture card. Welcome bonus. Spend $4,000 on purchases within 3 months of account opening to receive a one-time bonus of 75,000 miles, which is equal to $750 in travel. Annual fee, $95. Intro APR, NA. Regular APR, 17.49% to 25.49% variable. Balance transfer fee, 3% of any transferred balance's total amount that posts to your account at any promotional APR you may be able to get for yourself. For transferred amounts at the transfer APR, none. Foreign transaction fee, none. Credit needed, excellent or good, which is considered between 670 to 850. Coming at number 2, there is the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature Credit Card. There is a solid reason why frequent flyers of Alaska Airlines favor the airline's Visa Signature Credit Card. For many cardholders, the card's beneficial yearly companion fare is enough to make the annual cost worthwhile. Reduced Alaska Airlines in-flight purchase rebates, Alaska lounge discounts, and free checked bags all contribute to lower incidental travel expenses. Even among passengers who are not situated on the West Coast, Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan is well respected. Members of the Alaska Airlines Mileage Plan have access to more than 20 airline partners, including One World Alliance members, for international redemption options. For the majority of partners, redeeming miles is usually simple and may be done online. Instead of the prizes, what makes this card so desirable are the benefits. If Alaska Airlines is or can be your preferred airline, you might save hundreds of dollars with the companion fare benefit and bag fee waivers. Pros: redeem points for travel with more than a dozen international airline partners. Alaska Airlines offers a free checked bag. Benefits of Visa Signature. Annual companion fares can result in significant savings. Absence of foreign transaction fees. Cons: the East Coast and the Midwest have few flight options. Alaska Airlines flights only, no other airlines, companion ticket. Lack of priority boarding. Must have high to exceptional credit. Has an annual fee. Rewards are not very flexible. It's great for if you fly Alaska Airlines frequently, this card is a wonderful option. If you frequently travel with Alaska Airlines and are based on the West Coast, you can benefit from the companion fare. It's not great for People who are not based on the West Coast. People that can earn more rewards with a different credit card. Rewards. Earn 3x miles for every dollar spent on eligible Alaska Airlines transactions when using the Alaska Airlines Visa Signature credit card. You get 1 mile for every additional dollar you spend. If you make a reservation on alaskaair.com, you can use your rewards. It's crucial to remember that Alaska Airlines must be used to book mileage plan reward travel. Welcome bonus. With this offer, you may purchase one ticket and obtain a second one for just the taxes and fees, $0 fare plus taxes and fees, starting at $22, and 40,000 bonus miles. Make purchases totaling $3,000 or more during the first 90 days of creating your account to be eligible. Annual fee, $75. Intro APR, NA. Regular APR, 18.24%, 26.24% variable APR on purchases and balance transfers. Balance transfer fee, either $10 or 3% of the amount of each transaction, whichever is greater. Foreign transaction fee, none. Credit needed, excellent or good, which is considered between 670 to 850. And on first place, we have Capital One VentureX Rewards Credit Card. VentureX might be one of the greatest cards for what it is intended to achieve, which is to improve your travel experience while collecting rewards on everything you buy. That might sound exaggerated, but once you examine all the features the card offers at a substantially lower annual charge than its closest rival, see if you can disagree. As the issuer's entry into the market for premium travel rewards cards, the Capital One VentureX Rewards credit card outperforms the competition. The card is almost a no-brainer for travelers, from luxury seekers to those who are more cost-conscious, with an annual fee that undercuts the competition and numerous benefits that are simple to understand. The card delivers the security features that any travel credit card ought to have, like trip interruption and cancellation insurance. Additionally, it provides the well-known Priority Pass membership, which, once you sign up, grants you and 2 friends access to more than 1,000 airport lounges around the world. There is also a Capital One Lounge network, however, it is currently very small. Now, let me introduce you to the pros and cons. Pros: high pace of prizes. Bonus for brand new cardholders. Being a lounge member. Anniversary benefit. Flexible redemption of awards. Lower annual fee than comparable companies in its category. The annual price could be justified merely by the anniversary miles and annual trip credits. Miles are simple to obtain and use. Cons: high annual fee. Must-have great credit. Absence of upmarket hotel and domestic airline partners. The fledgling Capital One Lounge network. Benefits of hotel status are absent. It's great for anyone who wants to improve their travel experience without paying a hefty annual charge. It's not great for people who don't travel much. Rewards: earn 2 miles for every $1 spent on eligible items, 5 points for every $1 spent on flights booked via Capital One Travel, and 10 miles for every $1 spent on accommodations and rental cars. There are no opt-ins, worries about categories, or vendor preferences. Just as simple as reusing miles. Any travel-related purchase made with your card is eligible for mileage credit. If you want to raise your redemption game, another choice is to transfer to travel partners. Welcome bonus. Spend $4,000 on purchases during the first 3 months of your account opening to earn 75,000 bonus miles, which is equal to $750 in travel. Annual fee, $395. Regular APR, 18.49% to 25.49% variable. Balance transfer fee, $0 at this transfer APR. Foreign transaction fee. None. Credit needed. Excellent, which is considered between 720 to 850. That wraps up what I believe are some of the best travel credit cards in 2022. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Happy travels! I'll see you in the next video.